shout out to Orlando Pirates vele yabo. They were more on their baba pressa vele most of the time vele yabo. And another thing, like, isn't like sure that just keep on like being proven right. Another thing I said, which like Sundowns without Muta and Sundowns without Ribeiro, it is no longer the Sundowns like Esichwaele. And when I said the first video on this channel, when I said which like Pagani is the most dangerous team in PSL this season, even though I'm a Kosi fan, you all were thinking which like I'm lying and stuff. I know there are people that they were like, nah, the boy is just like capping, yabo. I come in the baya vele, yabo. And I said it was like Santa doesn't look that much threatening, yabo. The only player my like I feel like is still like bringing into adjustment in them. It is only like Alain available. I'm not saying Santos doesn't have like quality and stuff, Nana, but it doesn't seem like dangerous like before.